Welcome. Today we're going to take a look at euphemism, which is a figure of speech. So with euphemism, what you're doing here is it is a softer word or a softer phrase that is used in place of a stronger one or of a more direct one. Let's take a look at some examples. First example here, Janice passed away at 3 p.m. That is the euphemism instead of saying Janice died at 3 p.m. So using that phrase of passed away, that's the euphemism, that's the softer wording rather than the more direct statement of died. Let's take a look at another example. The business has let go of 5 staff members instead of the business has fired 5 staff members. So here the euphemism is let go of instead of fired. That's the difference there. We're using that softer language. Another example here is Dave lost his marbles about the mistake instead of Dave was irate about the mistake. So here we've got this euphemism that he lost his marbles, meant that he kind of lost control of his emotions rather than Dave was irate. So it's that softer language. And another example here, the challenging task kept the whole team occupied. So that instead of the extremely difficult task kept the whole team stressed, highly stressed. So here we're using 2 euphemisms. One is the challenging task. You'll see people use the word challenging a lot. Instead of saying that something is very difficult, they'll use the word challenging. And then the other part here is occupied versus highly stressed. So occupied meant that they were busy, whereas a more direct statement is that they're highly stressed. So that first sentence, the challenging task kept the whole team occupied, that's the euphemism. We've got 2 euphemisms in that line. So this is euphemism, which is a figure of speech.